Hello my YouTube friends, Greg here with another unbiased, unedited, no bull story. Around a year ago, March last year, when now in May, we installed a PowerWall2 coupled with solar, and after a year using it, I've got pretty solid experience how it behaves, what to expect, and if it's worthwhile. What do you think? Should I create video where I describe my journey with all the faults and expectations and paybacks and benefits and disadvantages of Powerwall and solar system, or is it not a good idea? Please comment down below, and if there is an interest, I think I create a video. I think it's quite a remarkable piece of technology, but I don't want to create video if no one is interested in what it is and how it works and if it's worthwhile. Thank you.